your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for load and for reps. We have 3 movements. We will perform 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest in this 5-round structure. So starting it off, we have 30 seconds of bent rows, followed by a 30-second rest, 30 seconds of hang power cleans, followed by a 30-second rest, and then 30 seconds of V-ups, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Moving on for part B, we have a workout for time. Today we will be doing double unders and lunges. There is a 10-minute time cap to this workout. Today we will perform, as fast as we can, 100 double unders, followed by 100 lunges, followed by 100 double unders, another 100 lunges, and then finishing it off with 100 double unders. If you don't have a jump rope at home, reminder that you are welcome to substitute this movement with something like a lateral jump instead. All right, you guys, we're excited to hear how you did. Make sure you post your comments to our notes. Good luck.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Thursday. Gonna lead you through another warm-up. Start off, we have 2 minutes of jump rope to prep us for our double unders later on in the workout. If we don't have a jump rope, we can just do some lateral hop for 2 minutes, just moving in place, getting the blood flowing. From there, we have some stretching. First stretch is a calf stretch. So getting on our hands and knees, walking our hands out, warming up that upper back. From there, we have a 90-90 hip flow to open up our hips. And our last stretch will be a dip stretch to stretch out our triceps. All right, you guys. From there, we have 3 rounds of a series of movements. Starts with 9 candlestick roll-ups. Then we have 12 donkey kicks. From there we have 15 stiff-legged deadlifts. And last movement is 18 kettlebell swings. All right, you guys, get after it.